Good morning and welcome. It's been a long time since I've ridden out here, mostly because it's been incredibly hot. And to be honest, I don't know how far we're going to get today because it's 85 degrees already. And this is the coldest part of the day. I'm sweating. Whew. And I'd rather ride in a little cooler weather. But this is just me wanting to get out because it's been such a long time. And I'm not even sure what we're going to do today. I've got a couple of different options. Again, I don't want to commit to anything super serious because it's hot. Okay, we're at 50% battery. We're going to have to speed run this. I forgot to bring a spare battery. I'm pinned, I'm leaning back. That's as much power as I've got. I am falling over today. Am I not in first gear? I am. I'm bogging down so hard. Something's wrong. I'm not sure what's going on, but this bike is having issues with it bogging, not being able to get it just right. The jets, something's funky with the jetting. It's not perfect. This ride's been a little frustrating, just trying to figure things out. And I love this bike. I love this style of bike, but man, it's freakishly loud, and I'm having issues with the carburetor. I'm gonna try my hand at an e-bike. I might go buy one today. I've been looking at one for the past 4 months. This dude hasn't sold it. I wanna see if it's still available, and maybe I'll go pick it up. I didn't want to buy it for $4,000. It was kind of expensive for what it is. Gosh, I'm just not riding well today. If you can see me, my head's not in it. I'm so sweaty. I'm just having a hard time just even staying on the road. That's a little frustrating because that's fully pinned. That's me just being max pinned, everything. I just got no power. Got no traction. Let's just make it home without crashing, okay? Alright, well, thank you so much for watching. It's been fun. I've enjoyed myself. Even if I was having a little frustration out on the trail, I really had a good time. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.